I witnessed a creator that went from 2,000 followers to 50k followers in just 2 months using one AI system. While most creators are posting daily, only getting 200 views, and wondering why all of these creators are getting millions of followers and millions of views. The system I'm talking about is built in Poppy AI, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to build it out for yourself. I'm going to show you the 3-step process to beat the Instagram algorithm every single time. And the crazy thing about this AI system, it scripts videos that sound exactly like you and not like any robot. So after this video you can stop guessing on what to post next and start creating content that's gonna go viral every single time. And yeah, I'm sorry if the sun is shining, it's very early here, so the lighting is quite bad. That's not the point of this video. The problem with other AI tools like ChatGPT, for example, is it sounds very robotic. It's very hard to train. Like if I want to add something in here, I can add some files, some photos, but it's still a kind of chat and it's very hard to train it to be an expert at certain tasks. And for example, if I want to just take one of my reels here, copy the link in here and ask the AI, what am I talking about in this video? Let's see. And it can't basically analyze it. I need to transcribe this video with some other tool, and this just takes extra time, it costs extra money, and it's not efficient at all, because if I want to add like 20 videos, for example, it's gonna take a very long time for me, and it doesn't work. But the beautiful thing with Poppy AI, which looks like this, is, for example, if we go in here, you can train the AI to do exactly what you need it to do. So for example, here, if I add some videos in here, I can train this chatbot to be an expert at a certain task. So if I take this video, for example, and add it in here somewhere, I just paste it in and it's gonna start transcribing this video from the get-go. And I can add it in a chat, connect the video to the chat, and if we give it a few seconds, I can then ask the AI what I'm talking about in this video, and it's gonna get exactly what I'm saying in this video. So you can, guys, just imagine like the things that you can do when you start actually training it to be an expert at a certain task, because you can go to YouTube, take any YouTube video, you can take your own content, you can add in articles, websites, documents, and start training the AI to be an expert at a certain task. And in this case, in this build here, I basically trained the AI to know exactly how I speak and talk and what my content is about on Instagram. Then I trained it on how to actually create viral content and what goes into scripting content on Instagram. I gave it some hooks, and these hooks I actually built out with Poppy AI. So I basically took viral videos on Instagram, put everything into Poppy AI and asked the AI, based on all of these viral videos, can you give me the best performing hooks? And it basically gave me all of the best performing hooks. And then I have some other viral videos in my niche, and based on this I can then go and script videos in my niche that sound exactly like me. So now if we go back here, we can see this video here, and based on my video, what do I talk about? And now it's gonna analyze this video right here, and it's gonna get exactly what I'm talking about in this video. So the main topic, it's gonna give me, I was talking about 5 red flags in this video, and now it basically gives me all of the red flags that I was talking about, the key message, and yeah, it understands what's going on in this video. And just imagine like the things that you can do in a long form YouTube video. So if you go to YouTube, for example, you take some big creator like Alex Hormozi and you add it in here, and based on Alex's video, can you give me some content ideas? Like the things is just insane that you can do with this tool. So if we actually go into my short form content machine, which I built, we can start off by actually, here on the side, you have a Notion page. So you can do notes here, you can do whatever you want, like to-do lists, build out lists, and very advanced things. But how this machine works is step one is obviously you gotta train the AI. Step two is you gotta analyze your content, and step three is start creating your content. So the first thing in this setup is we gotta train the AI. And if you wanna get this exact template that I'm using, I'm gonna leave down a link in the description below. And if you don't have Poppy AI, just get Poppy AI. If you use the code Robin, you get $25 off. So yeah, I highly recommend getting it. And yeah, you can get access to this template as well. So the first thing is obviously we gotta train the AI on what type of content you actually create and how you sound in your content. So I've added in some short form content, some YouTube videos to give more context about who I am and how I actually speak in long form content. Then I've added in again some training, so viral hooks, viral script framework, my framework of actually scripting viral videos. And by the way, you're gonna get access to that also in this template. And then I have added in some videos about storytelling and hooks from YouTube, from very big creators. And this AI is analyzing all of this training to actually create the perfect piece of content for you. And down here I have some inspiration to get some ideas that I can actually make content of. So how this actually works is, again, like we can just add in a new chat here. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how it works. And basically once you added in your own content, all you gotta do is just come up here and take the link and paste it in here. And the same thing goes for YouTube. You can add in YouTube videos, Instagram, TikToks, LinkedIn posts, and Facebook ads, and like voice recordings. You can add in images, so you can just take a screenshot of something and just analyze it and create your own things. Like for example, if you go to YouTube, you can analyze like thumbnails and create the perfect thumbnail for you. Then you can add in text. This is a new feature that I love. You can actually write on this board, you can start typing things. Hey there. And this is very handy and very, very cool feature because yeah, it helps you organize things. What else do we have here? We have websites, mind maps, and documents. I love documents, and then groups. So basically you can group things together instead of adding a bunch of different things like this and like connecting them separately. You can add it into a group and it's gonna look at everything at one piece of content basically. So this is one type of thing. And yeah, so the first thing is obviously we gotta train the AI. So let's connect this here and ask the AI based on my content, how do I talk? And yeah, it's gonna analyze exactly how I talk. And based on all of this content right here, it gets everything, like the speaking patterns, the pacing, and it knows how I talk and speak in my videos. And based on this, it can then create content for me. So let's connect the training here. So I've added in a bunch of just videos on how to script short form content based on the training, what goes into a viral short form video. I need you to be an expert at scripting short form videos. Now it's gonna start analyzing what goes into actually creating a very viral video, and it's analyzing all of the things in this training group. And now what we can do is basically go to Instagram, take a viral video in my niche. So let's take this one, it got over 1 million views. We can go in here, just paste it in wherever you want, like that. We can add a note to help the AI understand which video we're talking about. So example 1, for example, like this, connect it to the chat. And now that it actually knows how to script like videos, we can basically create our own version of this that sounds exactly like me. Can you model example video 1 and script that video in my tone of voice? Follow the training to make this video go viral. This is a very poor prompt, but I'm sure it's gonna work because yeah, this AI is just so insane. And here we go. It's gonna start scripting the video, and there you go. It basically takes this viral idea and the framework behind it and scripts this video in my tone of voice, and it doesn't sound robotic, it sounds exactly like me. It's gonna take this training and script it. So just imagine the things that you can do. I use this for content creation, scripting videos, writing landing pages, newsletters. Like the things that you can do here is just insane. So yeah, here we have the full on script, and yeah, you gotta train the AI a bit more to actually get it perfect. So it takes some time to actually perfect this and make it super powerful. But yeah, I hope you liked this video, and if you want to try out Poppy AI, I'm gonna leave the link down below, and you can also download this template, and if you use the code Robin you get $25 off. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.